Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you computer. Chapter 2 topic is exploring Windows. The last chapter we will see know your operating system. In that chapter we will see three types of operating system. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2 exploring Windows. First we'll see the introduction. This chapter deals with some of the Windows programs that are commonly used for creating, storing and retrieving data such as computer, documents, recycle bin that appears on the desktop. So in this lesson we will see the desktop. So what are the icons, folders and drives present in the desktop? That only we will see elaborately in this chapter. So this is a desktop, computer desktop. The first screen, that is the home screen of the computer, is desktop. In this desktop there is many icons, folders, documents and drives and recycle bin present in this desktop. So first we'll see computer. What is computer? That is my computer present in the desktop. So we have bookshelf in our home. In that bookshelf we will store many books and then papers, etc. So likewise here also this my computer is used to arrange many icons, folders and drives. So how will you enter into this my computer means you have to double click the icon. Look at here. So this program displays the content of the computer such as drives, folders and other hardware materials. So here file. What is file? A file is a collection of information. So it consists of text, pictures, numbers, sounds or combination of all. So here every file is identified by its name. For example, if you take any human being, they can represent it with the name. You can identify with the help of a name. Here also every file should give a file name. So that file name can stored into some extension. For example, if you store the file in the MS Word application means, so what is the extension given for the Word file? That is docs. So some more extension also given here, that is if you store files in Notepad application means extension is TXT. If you store a Paint application file means BMP. If you store a picture file means JPG. Extension of animated files means extension is GIF, that is GIF. If you store the file sound file means .wav. So these are the extension for the files. Next we'll see folder. What is folder? Different files are grouped under one name, that is called folder. The folder consists of files and subfolders also. So many files are there that can be grouped and given one name, that is called a folder. Next, drives. What is drives? The hard disk in the computer can be divided into 2, 3 or more partitions. So that is called drives. So what is drive? Drive is a storage area in the hard disk. For example, if you take a human being, where we can store? We store in the brain. So here also CPU is the brain of the computer. So what is the storage area name called means drive is a storage area in the hard disk. So you can store files, folders and applications in the drive. So look at here, these are the drives: C drive, D drive and E drive. So the drives are displayed with a hard disk symbol along with its name. That is local disk C, D and E. Next we will see devices and removable storage. So other components can be attached into this computer window. For example, if you take CD drive, DVD drive and pen drive and mobile phone devices, you can copy any files through CD, or if you copy any videos through DVD, and you can copy the file or document in the pen drive or in the mobile phone devices. So it is easily removed from the computer. So that is a removable storage. So how will you enter into this storage means by double clicking of these icons we can access the content. Next we will see disk properties. What is disk properties? To find out whether the particular drive has enough memory space to store our file, place the mouse pointer or any drive and right click a drop down menu will appear. Now click on properties from the menu and a window will appear showing the used and free space available in the drive. For example, if we take the mobile phone, we have stored many files and videos. Sometimes our storage of the mobile phone will be full. So you have to delete some files or videos. So likewise in the computer also you have to check the memory space through this disk properties. So how will you enter into the disk properties? Right click and drop down menu will appear. Now you can click the properties and we will go to menu window and you have to see that. So how much space are there in the computer. Are you clear, students? This is the disk properties window. Next we'll see documents. What is document? Document program is used to store files and folders for quick and easy access. So by default when the user saves any file, it's saved in the location documents. So you have to give some file name for each document. So whenever you need this document, so you give the file name and you can search in the search button and you got the file quick and easy. That is document. Next we'll see recycle bin. So it is a dustbin like. We have a dustbin in the home, no? So likewise in the computer also there is a bin. So that bin is called as a recycle bin. So if you no need any file or folder or any videos means you have to delete the file. So such files that can be temporarily stored in the recycle bin. So whenever you need, you can restore again from the recycle bin. So if you no need again means, so you permanently deleted the file. Next, Windows Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? So Windows Explorer is a program which manages the content of the hard disk. So this is the content of the hard disk. So it helps us to explore the files, folders and drives. So how will you open this Window Explorer? By click on Start button, point to all programs and then go to Accessories and select the Windows Explorer. So if you open the Windows Explorer, so this page will open. So this is called Windows Explorer. So here there are two pans or as shown. First one is left pan and the another one is right pan. So what is the use of left pan and right pan? Let's see now. The left pan of Windows Explorer displays drives, folders and other hardware details. And the right pan shows that it displays file, subfolders and the content of the selected item of the left pane. So this is left pane and right pane. So left pane displays drives, folders and other hardware details, and the right pane displays files, subfolders and the content of the selected item of the left pane. Are you clear, students? In this lesson we will see file, folder, drives, disk properties, drives and removable storage, documents, recycle bin, Windows Explorer. Are you clear, students? I hope you all understand well and enjoyed. We will see you in the next class. Thank you, students.